how to hide your full name on PayPal or your real name. So you generally cannot hide your real name on a personal account. PayPal requires your legal name for identity verification, but what you can do is change your personal account from a personal to a business account, and then you will be able to add or use a business name instead of your actual real name. And everyone who is dealing with you should be able to see that business name on the transactions instead of your actual name. Now, to change your PayPal account to business account, all you got to do is click on the settings icon on the top bar here. And then in the account tab, you want to basically scroll down and you should find this button here that says unlock new features like express checkout. Click on upgrade to a business account. And this should take you through the process of upgrading your account to a business account. And it will require you to provide additional details. And you will also have the option to create a separate business account or convert your current existing personal account to a business one. You can pick whatever suits you and then follow through the steps to upgrade your account. And once you're done, you should be able to start using your account for transactions. And this will basically hide your real name and use your business name instead. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.